Hello everyone, I haven't been able to share videos for a long time. First of all, I apologize for this. I said this training would consist of 100 lessons. I prepared, as you can see, 39th lesson last. I'm really busy, so I apologize again. Now we can continue where we left off. I will share videos more often from now on today. If you remember, in our last lesson we completed the product operations on the home page, and there are a few small operations left to be done on the home page. We will do the see more products section later. Now let's prepare to visit our company section. I will not use a field connected to the database here. I will create a static field. We need to create a view component and partial view for this now. Let's go to Visual Studio and right click View Components, right click Default View Components folder, add new class. Our class name is underscore default visit farm section component partial. Okay. We will not use a field connected to database here. We use static here. We need inherit view component and control dot using Microsoft ASP.NET Core MVC and public iView component results invoke. We need return view. Okay. Choose class name and right click, copy class name is and go to views and go to share it and go to components, right click components folder, add new folder and paste class name and right click underscore default visit farm section component partial folder and add new view. We need a razor view and we need a partial view. Our partial name is default. Okay, and add. I'm waiting for create. Okay, this is ready. Delete this here and go to index. We can use this line 34 and await component dot invoke async and paste it. Okay, choose this section, right click cut and right click paste. Okay, good. Visit our field. Now we can write the text. We can edit this text. This can be a text inviting people to the farm. For example, delete this here. For example, you can come to visit our farm between 8 o'clock and 8 o'clock and 18 and 7 days a week. Okay, and you can visit our farm with your children and loved ones and taste our organic. You can use dynamically with database, but I will use statically. Taste our organic fruits and vegetables you can also shop from the store located in our farm. We are waiting for you. Have a nice day. Good. Visit now. That's enough. The location of the button can be a link to a map. We will do that later. Visit now. Okay, good. Go to index and Ctrl Shift W. Test it. I'm waiting for open. And go to visit our farm. You can sorry, excuse me, you can come to visit our farm between 8 and 18, 7 days a week. You can visit our farm with your children and loved ones and taste our organic fruits and vegetables. You can also shop. This is shop from the store located in our farm. We are waiting for you. Have a nice day. Okay, good. Again run, and you can see, as you can see, this is ready. Good, that's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Next lesson we will create customer review, and finally we can delete this here. We don't use block, and finally we edit this section. Okay, that's enough. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day.